Hi guys, something just happened just now. Let me bring you guys up, okay? I was trying to switch lanes, right, from the middle lane to the left lane, and as I was halfway switching lane, like usual, one of these kapchais, you can see a lot of kapchais passing by, left, right, left, right. Sometimes we just don't know, we do not know which one they want to take, you know. Sometimes they pass on our left. Anyway, just now I was trying to switch lane. Just now we were at a faster traffic, okay? I was switching from middle to the left lane, and just as I was halfway inching, both my left wheels are already out of the left lane, okay? And there comes one motorcycle from my right, from behind my right, cut out to my left. You know, like they're playing games, like how they're playing games, they come from behind and then they want to do that from my left. The car detected it before I did and pulled my car back in a bit, let the motorcycle pass. That was brilliant. And then it showed what it was showing there, automatic collision prevention. It just nudged back. Then I was like, what? Then the motorcycle passed. As I was looking, I looked into the side mirror, there were no motorcycles, no cars, so I signaled, I inched out, but a motorcycle came from that side, out that way, and he was fast. He was, you know, doing his usual heroic moves. Anyway, yeah, that's brilliant. Thank you, Volvo. That is brilliant.